Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? It's me, your mathematics teacher, and welcome back after a long break after your exams. And now we are moving towards the final term, and in this term, you're going to learn something new. So let's see what is that new. In this, you are going to learn about fractions, okay? And in this video, you're going to learn fraction introduction, types of fraction, and sum of fractions with same denominator. So let's see first that what is a fraction. I hope you must be familiar with this word. A fraction or a fractional number is used to represent a part of a whole. This will be more clear with the pictures. Let's see that we have a circle over here and there are 4 circles. And the first circle is showing full green color. So that means this is one whole circle. There are no parts of the circle. Look at the second one. That second circle is divided into 2 parts. The first one is, this is first circle, second circle. So I am talking about second circle right now. This is divided into 2 parts, 2 equal parts you can say. So the green portion is representing 1/2. Okay, and the white portion is also showing 1/2. Look at the third circle. In third circle, the green portion is showing 1, and how many total parts of this circle? 4. So how to represent this in fraction form? 1/4, or you can say quarter. So these are the different vocabulary words which you need to learn about these fractions, and how to read the fraction. And the white portion is showing 3/4, or you can say 3/4. Look at the last one, fourth circle. In this, the green portion is showing 3 parts, okay, and 3 out of 4. So that means this fraction for the green part is 3/4, or you can say 3/4, and the fraction for the white portion is 1/4. Let's see the next slide. Okay, so now we are going to formally introduce the fraction as we have just learnt few seconds before. The fraction is showing a part of a whole, but a fraction has 2 numbers, one top number and one bottom number. This blue color one, that is the top number, which is called numerator. Okay, and this number tells you how many of the equal parts of the thing you have. Like just I have gave you the example of circles, so but we have examples from our daily life as well. Like if you go to the restaurant and you ordered a pizza, and you are 4 family members, okay, and you ordered pizza, and someone wants to eat 1 piece. Okay, so you ask the restaurant that you need 4 pieces of that, so 1 piece for each, so 1 out of 4, okay, for each person. So in the same way that we have this fraction over here, the top number is telling you that how many of the equal parts of thing you have. Just like I said, that 1 piece every family member needs, so that means they have 1 piece out of 4. And the bottom number is telling us the total of something, and this is also called the denominator. Okay, the bottom number, what this basically means is how many equal parts the thing is split into. So here there are 2 equal parts. So this fraction shows that out of 2, 1, okay, or you can say 1/2 this fraction. So you know there are a lot of ways to read the fraction. Now just have a look on the types of the fraction. There are 3 types of the fraction which we are going to discuss in this exercise. Proper fraction, in which the numerator is less than denominator, and the example is in front of you, 2/5. So see, numerator 2, denominator 5. So that means 2/5 is the example for proper fraction. Improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. Here is the example, 7/3. 7 upon 3. So there are a lot of ways to read it. So 7/3, 7 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. So 7/3 is the example for improper fraction. Last but not least, mixed number. Mixed number is basically a combination of a whole number and a fractional part. So 2 wholes, 1/3. So this is called a mixed number, okay? So 2 wholes, 1/3. This is a combination of one whole number and one fractional part. See, this is 2 whole number, 1 numerator, 3 denominator. Combined, it is called a mixed number. 2 wholes, 1/3. Okay, now see, there is another, the types of the fractions, that if the combination of fractions are given to you, that what type of fractions you are going to deal. Like fractions. What are the like fractions? Like fractions are those which have same denominators. Like you have example on the screen, 1/4, 2/4 and 3/4. Unlike fractions, 1/2, 2/3, 3/4. See, so they all have different denominators. So these are called unlike fractions. Half, 2/3 and 3/4. So these are all unlike fractions because they have different denominators. Let's move towards an example now in which we are going to add two fractions with same denominator. So since this is very important topic in your exercise, so first start with the same denominator and then we'll move towards your exercise. So whenever you have same denominator, then there is no need to be panic. These fractions we can add simply. How to write it? First you need to write the denominator once, okay, because the denominator is same and LCM of 5 and 5 is always 5. And write the numerators as it is. Whatever is the numerator and the symbol given to you, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and then fifths, 4/5. This is a proper fraction you got in answer, so that means this is your final answer. See how simple it is. Next example, here is a mixed number with same denominator. So first of all, whenever we are dealing with the mixed numbers, we need to convert those mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 1/4/7. So converted into improper fraction, first we are going to multiply 7 and 1 and the result is going to be added in the numerator. 7 and 1 means whole number and denominator. 7 times 1, 7 plus 4, 11/7. Then plus again a mixed number, 1/5/7. So 7 times 1, 7 plus 5, 12/7, or you can say 12/7. So now see, we have same denominators and we are supposed to add these fractions. So simply add these fractions, write the denominator, and you can say the LCM of 7 is 7, which is 7, and the numerators as it is. 11 plus 12, what it is going to be? 23/7. Now see, here is an improper fraction in the answer. So this is not your simplified answer. Whenever you have this case, improper fraction, you get as results. So you need to divide those numbers and get your answer in mixed number form. So 7 times 3, 21. And what is left? 2. So that means your final answer is going to be 3/2/7. So that means quotient, remainder and divisor. This is the way to write a mixed number after dividing a numerator with denominator. Now let's move towards another question in which we are going to discuss about the subtraction of fractions with same denominator. So let's see what is the difference between this. As we have already discussed that whenever you have same denominator, so that is your LCM, and the numerators you are going to write as it is. Since there is subtraction sign in this case, so we are going to use subtraction sign, and we are going to subtract these numbers. 6 minus 5, 1 over 7, or you can say 1/7. So see how simple this is. So I hope you understand the concept of sum and difference of the fractions with same denominator. Okay, best of luck for your next questions. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.